How to replace your Google dialer on a device. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type your dialer name and click on search. Now install any of your dialer. Now after installing your dialer, go back to the home screen. Now to switch your dialer, simply open up settings on a device. Now scroll down. Now tap on apps. Now tap on default apps. Now tap on phone app and select your app. Now select the other dialer and go back. Now open up your settings again. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Go to app management. Now search for Google dialer. Now tap on phone. Now click on disable. Now tap on disable. Now enter your password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.